I'm just doing. I'm sitting on a chair. I'm just wondering if Bengy, help, help, Bengy, I'm stuck. Oh no, help, 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 please. I know. Maybe. This time though, I do have a baggie. Oh no, Benji! It's a yellow bag, and guess what? Oh no, it's flying away. Your bag's flying away. Nah, he's not. I think he knows when I'm in genuine pain.
I really would like to have a
Oh, oh,
Marissa, hello.
that's an old.
I was sad to hear about Dr. McCoy. He was a good man. Must be very hard.
To Auntie, I love you so. Oh, yeah. Oh man, I miss my niece and nephew in Canada. Life goes on, I guess. But anyway, yeah, it just proves that birds are. Another proof that birds are intelligent. Benji! Because the last time I was in severe pain and he came without a bag, opened his cage. I had took my diazepam. So yeah, I just thought I'd upload. But I'll say oh look, it's a Beatles bag. Benji, what are you doing? Weighing yourself. Peekaboo. And it's amazing how he's learned peekaboo in...
Marissa's illness is escalating. She's suffering from paranoid delusions. Psychotic break. I'm worried that she might try to hurt
Sorry
herself
about the
again.
TV, guys. I've
I think that she intentionally ran herself out.
And yeah, this is a different bag, but I can't put that. That's too big, Benji.
I can't trust her with the whole model.
Yeah.
I have to ask, but would you?
It's different.
It's one every 4 hours. Monitor her closely, please don't.
Okay. He always spits the plastic out, as you know. You like your green food, your milk bread. Now I've got to do your... Oh, look at the state of that. It's disgraceful. Say hello. Say hello. Say...
What are you looking at?
Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Oh, just an article.
Say peekaboo!
Can't tell if your own mother thinks you're a lunatic. I don't think that. I think you're overwhelmed. It's just a nice way of saying crazy, Mom. So have you booked me an indefinite stay at the Looney Bin yet? Of course not. I'm just concerned, that's all.
Uh-oh.
You don't believe me, do you? You think I'm making all of this? I think you're still recovering. It's good to know where you stand. I'm on your side, Marissa. I always
Sorry, it's
your mother.
Super Saturday and you guys are waking up to a hangover and watching this. Anyway, so yeah, I was just testing, so I'm sorry about the TV. And no, Ben, you can't have that one. That's way too big. You've got to have blue baggies. Anyway, bye guys. I love you. Who's it? Just everyone. Oni, Stacy, my brain. You know when your brain just freezes because you've got Oh, Bengy. And then, who's the other one again? The one that I'm starting to really quite think is funny. I can't think of the name. You know when it's on the tip of your tongue? Oh, darn it. Bengy. You should, right? You say it. Listen, guys. Subscribe to me and make me happy because I've been feeling a bit down. And by the way, my leg, which I'd show you. Oh, no, I better not.
After breakfast.
Because I'm wearing
Hot shower.
terrible socks. Socks! Socks! Dan, wear socks. Pink ones. Anyway, yeah, I'm waffling now. Oh, Rona. Yeah, that's it, Rona. And Nixie. Nixie, your artwork is fantastic. Rona, you're fantastic. And all the bird lovers are fantastic. Anyone that owns a bird. Anyone that cares and saves birds. And animals in general. Lizards even. Whatever. Subscribe to me. And make me happy. And Bengy. The bag bird. No, Ben, you can't have it in your house. So, yeah. Anyway, I'll let you go, guys. Bye. Benji, no, you can't have